Okay guys, so today what we're going to be doing here is I gotta run some gas pipe. I gotta get knee pads on. Right now what I'm going to do first here is I am going to shut off gas meter. So let's go do that real quick as I go down. Alright, we're good. There was a brick. Alright, let's go shut off gas meter here. Homeowner side, city side, shut off. Right here, this guy. I'm gonna try to go out here. There we go. Gas is off. Okay. We're gonna have to be doing a couple things here today. Got to go inside the house. I got to put my ladder up. What we're doing is that we're eliminating a crazy gas line loop that was plumbed completely wrong. It goes from bigger pipe to smaller pipe to bigger pipe before it goes to their stove. And they want to utilize this closet that they got here that the gas line's in. They want to make it a little bit different, add some more cabinetry or something, make like a spice cabinet or something like that. So what I got to do is I got to put down my cloth here. And then we got to go in the attic. I got to cut 190 in the attic real quick. And then, okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Then once we do what we got to do, we'll test pipe, we'll squirt everything down that we worked on, make sure that we're all good. So, let me see what I got here for blanket wise. Okay. How does that have to happen right when I don't want it to happen? All right. Here we go. Okay. That's where we're going. Right here's what we're working on. Okay. This is 3/4 pipe right here. And then when it sits there in 90s, at 90s to 1/2 inch, it feeds the old heater that used to be here, and then they go back to 3/4 track pipe. Right here up in the attic, where they're like feeding a stove over there. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you guys can see in that wall right there, gas pipe's coming up 3/4. So I'm gonna take this track pipe off right here, and I'm gonna reroute that 90 going down this wall here, turn it and reattach the track pipe to the 3/4 and eliminate this F.A.U. because like I say, they want to add like a spice closet or something here. So all this is going to get ripped out. Take this nipple out so that they're able to work. Let's get my ladder up. Let's see what's going on. Let's grab a light real quick. Good morning. That one was under our house. It's a little bit dirty. Let's try to get another one. Okay. Yep, we got battery. Okay. Okay. No oopsies. Okay, so there's the track pipe. As you see, the tracky, and supposedly the gas lines. Copper, that looks good. Let's see what we got here, guys. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Look, they knew I was coming. Ow. Thank you, AC guys. I really love you. I swear. Okay. So now let's grab a Sawzall so we can turn this 90. We're going to turn this 90 pointed this way. And then we're going to pull that track pipe up and rerun it right here and tie back into this 3/4. Eliminating that 1/2 inch reducing. That's going back from 1/2 inch. It's going from 3/4 to 1/2 inch to 3/4. We're going to eliminate that. We're going to have all 3/4 going to that stove. So now they can burn some water. You like that, burning water? Okay. Alright, light off until I come back up. Bring in what I need here. For right now, let's make sure the gas is off. Turn this guy on. And we got nothing. Okay. I need a pipe wrench for this guy. The nuts are kind of offset here. Thank you, AC guys. And then we gotta go see if I got a 1/2-inch plug I could throw in there. If not, we're gonna take off this 90 and put a 3/4 cap. I gotta make sure I got all that. This whole line's gonna be dead, but I don't like to leave open lines in a wall. So we'll go out to my van and see what I have cap-wise here. It's gonna be that way, so lefty loosey's that way. Interesting. I just go get Sawzall. Open that up a little bit so I can get some wrench on there. See, let's get some more stuff on there. That guy. Where's that other guy? Where's that one guy that I like? Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy. Dun, 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 dun. Just that one more bar. Oh, hold on. Yeah, let's see if I can get that cap. Gonna have to move a couple things real quick so I can make my way over to my gas fittings. I love working in a van. Excuse me. Okay. Let's rummage. Let's see what goodies we can find. That's not supposed to be there. There she is. There's our cat. Where did I put my pipe wrenches? Where'd you go, wrenchers? Okay, so now what we're doing, I don't have a vise, but it's called a plumber's vise. I'm going to set this up to where my pipe wrench is going to hold my nip. That way, actually we're going to go this side. That way I can take this guy and unthread this guy. See? Pipe wrenches make it so much more easy than channel locks, I tell you. Okay, so boom, boom. Let's see here. Where did I put that glue at? I think it's in my tote. Okay. Let's get some of that first thing. Let's make some room real quick. Get these pipes out of my way. Alright. Let's get to my black pipe tote. Like I say, kind of got to move some stuff every day, but thing is, it all fits. It's all protected by an alarm and me. That cactus down there for right now. What we're doing is we're getting my thread, my iron pipe tote out here. Got to take off all my other totes. Get the material that we're gonna need. Strapping, PEX rings. Strapping, booty plugs, PEX fitting tote, copper tote. We got copper tote, and there's my gold right there. Okay. All you really want answer. Let's actually get some gloves on too. There's the good stuff for gas pipe. Yep, key tight. The best in the world. Oy. And then I might need my wrenches, but I put those over here because I was a little busy. 1 second. Okay. Okay. So now, like I said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this drywall just a little bit more. And any plumber's ever gonna tell you, you don't stick your whole saw blade in there. You only put the tip of your blade. Okay. Let's see. This is gonna be tight and loosen. To grab this guy like this. So. Trying to back it up, man, because I know this guy's gonna spin. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we'll just keep this in for right now. Don't want too much. Okay. This pipe's totally going to be dead, but I just want to cap what I can in the wall. Just to cap it. I don't like open pipe. Okay, there we go for that guy. So I think next up is going to be coming up here and trying to work this guy. So I'm going to need Sawzall, this guy and this guy. Then once we come back down, I'll put that track pipe up back in the attic. I got to take off that reducer first. Okay, battery died, so we're here to switch battery. So next off here, what we're going to do, we're back in the house. Nope, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go turn on that gas. And next thing we're going to do, we're going to hit it with soapy water. Let me see if I can find some soap in the house. Let's shut this guy. Okay, so gas is off to the house right now. Let's turn gas back on. It went left, so let's turn it back on going right. We had to get a little spray there. Okay. Going straight with pipe, gas is on. It's actually shut gate. I can have access again. Okay. See, spray it all around, make sure there's no leaks. Okay, now got gas on. There we go. Okay. Let's make sure in the attic we're all good. Let's go spray stuff. Everything's super tight. Here we go, guys. Okay. See if we make any bubbles. I see nothing forming at all. If they had a leak, there'd be bubbles poking out everywhere. We're bone dry, guys. We're bubbleless. Okay. Okay. Wait, I need that for a couple more steps here. Okay. So just to recap, we're over there. We moved a track pipe that was coming down the wall that was tying in The track pipe was bigger than what we were tying into, and the stove was having problems. So customer wanted to eliminate a indoor heater, old F.A.U. So he took out the F.A.U. He's gonna add a new little closet thing. Remove pipe, put one pipe in wall, remove track pipe in the attic, retied into it to the feed, eliminating that loop that was pointless because there's no F.A.U. anymore. Okay. Job well done. Well, guys, you want to do it once, you want to do it right, please give me a call, 714-334-1912, Plumbing by Jacob. I'll treat you honest, I promise. Talk to you guys soon. Can't wait. Thank you.